Hi everyone, welcome back to class. My name is RAMONI. We are going to get started in a cross-legged seated position. With the eyes closed, we are going to take some deep breaths. Slowly begin to drop your chin over towards the right shoulder. And now let's bring that chin through the center towards the chest and all the way over to the left shoulder. And now let's repeat that going back towards the right shoulder. Really take your time here as you just feel a good neck stretch. One more time, let's go over towards our left shoulder. And now we come back through center, going back over to the right shoulder. Let's completely drop our head, or our right ear rather, over towards the right shoulder, bringing the right hand on top of the head and extending that left arm out to the side. And now let's switch directions, dropping our left ear over towards that left shoulder. Placing that left hand on top of the head and extending that right arm out to the side. And you can release your left arm now. Let's sweep the arms up overhead and bring the hands to heart center. Let's take a deep breath. And again, let's sweep the arms up overhead, reaching up, and hands come to heart center. You take a deep breath. Place your hands on your knees, bring the shoulders up towards the ears, and then drop them down. Let's do that again. So we lift the shoulders and we drop them down. One more time, let's lift the shoulders and we drop them down. Lift your shoulders again, but this time roll the shoulders back and down. Let's do that again. We lift the shoulders and roll them back and down. Now let's reverse it. Lift the shoulders and roll them towards the front and down. One more time, let's lift the shoulders, roll them to the front and back down. I want you to take a deep inhale and exhale through the nose. And now let's lean over towards the right side. And now I want you to round your back, leaning back and then to the left and forward. So just making a full body circle, going to the right and the back, and then the left, and then we come forward again. Let's reverse it, going to the left, leaning back, shift over to the right, bring it forward. And one more time, we make a full body circle to the left. Let's straighten our right leg out to the side. You're going to keep that left leg bent. And we go into our forward fold, just walking the hands down towards that right leg. I'm going to keep my foot flexed just so I can feel a really deep hamstring stretch, but it's completely up to you if you want your foot flexed or pointed. And let's make our way over onto the other side. And we come back up, making our way into a butterfly position. Soles of the feet touch. We come into a forward fold, hinging from the hips. You can either keep the arms on the legs or you can extend your arms forward. And we slowly rise back up. Let's drop our right ear over towards the right shoulder. And now we go to the left shoulder. You can close your legs as you begin to extend the legs in front of you. The legs are straight. Extend your arms up overhead, really reaching high. And bring the hands to heart center. Place your hands down as you walk the hands forward, coming into a forward fold. This is going to be a relaxed forward fold, so you don't have to reach for the toes if you don't want to. You can just rest the hands on your yoga mat. Let's place the hands behind us. Fingers are facing us. We just give our wrist a little stretch and the neck a stretch by dropping the head back. And let's extend the arms up overhead again. And you bring your hands to heart center. Coming back into that relaxed forward fold. And now let's make our way onto our backs very slowly. Hug the knees into the chest as you just flex and point the toes. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders here. Taking some deep breaths. Straighten your legs for your waterfall pose, bringing the arms overhead, flexing and pointing the toes. Let's bring the arms out wide into a T position as we bend the knees, dropping both legs over to the right side of the room for a stacked supine twist. Open that right leg, coming into your butterfly. And now we drop both legs over to the left side of the room for our stacked supine twist. Come back into your butterfly. Make your way into Shavasana by straightening the legs, bringing the arms towards your sides, relaxing all of your muscles, closing your eyes, and taking some deep breaths. Thank you so much for coming to class. I hope you feel extremely relaxed. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more classes. I will see you in the next one.